Hello everyone. Good morning to you all. Hope you all will be fine and staying at home healthy. I'm your teacher of class 4 from PMGHS-II, and today we have a lecture on food and nutrition. So first have a look on the outline of this lecture. In this lecture we have to learn about the definition of food, nutrition, nutrients, food components and a balanced diet. So, first, have a look on the definition of food. Yes, what is a food? Dear students, you know very well food is any material that living things eat or drink. Right? Food is any material that living things eat or drink. What are living things? You know very well that living things which can breathe, which can eat, which can grow, which can move, or which can even reproduce. So these are the living things, and we have like plants. They can also eat, and they can also drink water by their roots. Like we have animals, they can also eat other animals. They hunt other animals. They can move. We have birds, they can reproduce or they can move, they can fly. Insects, they can also eat other insects. And we have also human beings. So all these are living things and they all need food in their life to stay healthy or to stay alive. Okay, so these are the living thing. And what is food? Food is any material that living things eat or drink. Now the question arises in our mind that why do we need food? So why do we need food? We need food to stay healthy or to stay fit. And food gives us energy. Food gives us energy and makes our body healthy. That's why we can do different activities, like we can play, we can walk, we can study, we can do any work. We can do so many other activities due to getting food. So in order to maintain our body fit or in order to maintain our body healthy, we have to take or we have to eat healthy food, right? Okay, now the next question arises in my mind that where does our food come from? Yes, our food comes from plants and animals. And we take from plants, we take vegetables, we take fruits, we take pulses, we take nuts. All these come from plants. And we take milk, we take we take chicken meat, we take eggs, we take cheese. So all these come from animals. So our food basically comes from plants and animals too. Now, dear students, if we talk about food, so there were lots of images comes in our mind that you see in this picture. There are two men, and one man has lots of images about food, like it has burgers, pizzas, drinks, chocolates, and the other man has vegetables, fruits, pulses, etc. So there were lots of images comes in our mind. Do you know what will be the healthy food or the food that we have to take? This one or this one? Okay, I will tell you the right one. First of all, I will tell you that what is healthy food for us. So healthy food is that food which gives us energy to our body. That is called healthy food. Like we have to take this one. Okay, fruits, vegetables, pulses, nuts. We have to take this type of food. And the food that gives us no energy, that gives us little amount of energy, or you can say no energy to us, that is called junk food, like pizzas, burgers, cakes, fizzy drinks. These all are the junk foods, and you have to avoid these junk foods. Okay, students, we have to avoid this type of food. We have to take just healthy food to stay fit. Now, generally, you know that we have to take food in 3 times a day. We take breakfast in the morning, and we take lunch at noon, and we take dinner at night. So, you must have to take food in 3 times a day. Now, the second topic or the second outline of our lecture is what is meant by nutrition, or what do you know about nutrition? You know very well about food. Now come towards nutrition. So nutrition, it's a process of getting nutrients. It's a process of getting nutrients. Now what do you know about nutrients? Nutrients, they are the components of food, or they are the main parts, or the main substance, or the main materials of the food. Okay, now come towards the components of food. So what are the components of foods? Components, you know that they are the parts, or they are the main materials or the substances of food. So they are carbohydrate, number first, number second proteins, number third fats, number fourth vitamins, number fifth mineral, and number sixth is water. So one by one I will tell you about these. Carbohydrates, number first. Yes, you know very well about carbohydrates that they are the energy giving foods to our body. They are called energy giving food. Mainly provides energy to our body, and they are found in especially in rice, wheat, potato, sweet potato, maize, and sugarcane. So these all foods are full of carbohydrates. Now come towards the second one, that is protein. Yes, protein, they are known as the body building material. Building means to make our body, to make anything. So they are the body building materials. Children's who are the grown up children, so they have to take proteins too much in their food or in their diet. They are found mostly in milk, eggs, meat, pulses, etc. Right? Okay, number third one, we have fats. Yes, they are also energy giving food. They keep us our body warm, and they are found in olive oil, nuts, avocados, coconut, and like green vegetables, fruits, right? So they are found in that foods. And too much fats are not good for our body, because fats are usually stored in our body. If we take fats too much in quantity, they are stored and stored, and eventually they cause obesity to us. How they cause obesity to us? If you take too much fats, and you don't do any physical work or any physical exercise, so they makes our body fat. They makes fats in our body, and in result we cause obesity. Like you see, this man take a lot of fats or a lot of junk food, you can say. So eventually it causes obesity. So this is harmful to us. Okay, now the fourth one is vitamin. So vitamins are required by our body in small amount, and they are usually found in green vegetables, fruits, meat, vegetables, etc. and they protect us from many diseases, like we have eyesight diseases, like we have bone diseases, or we have many infections. So they protect us from these type of diseases or infections. Okay, now the fifth one turn is mineral. They are also required by our body in a small amount, right? They are mostly composed of calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, potassium. These are basically minerals in our body, and our body need these minerals in a small quantity. And calcium, yes, calcium is very much important for our bones, and iron makes our body's blood. So all these minerals are very much essential for our body to stay fit. You have to take minerals too, and they are found in green vegetables, fruits, pulses. Okay, now come towards the last one component of food, that is water. Yes, you all know very well about water, that about 75% of our body weight is full of water, and we should drink plenty of water daily, and we need about 2 to 8 liters of water daily, and it will make our body clean or remove our body's waste materials from our body. Okay, so it will be very much beneficial to take 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Now come towards the last point, or the last outline of our lecture, that is balanced diet. So what is meant by balanced diet? Diet means the food, and balanced, very well, balance means equal. So a diet that gives us the required amount of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water, so they are called balanced diet. Or you can say that a diet that gives us the required amount of food is called balanced diet. So we should have to take daily balanced diet. Balanced diet means कि आपने रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट में आपने कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स भी लेने हैं, फैट्स भी लेने हैं, प्रोटीन्स भी लेने हैं, विटामिन्स भी लेने हैं, एंड वाटर भी लेना है डेली रूटीन फूड में. Okay, so we should take balanced diet and avoid eating junk food, and we have to take healthy foods to stay healthy and fit. So students, this was all about your today's lecture. Okay, now I'm going to give you the activity or the homework that is very much simple for you. You have to take the some pictures of healthy and unhealthy food and paste them on a chart. If you have a chart in your home, so you have to take the pictures of healthy and unhealthy food and paste them separately. Okay, so this was your today's lecture. Okay, now it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day and stay home and stay safe. Thank you.